red, dry, and itchy. If this is how you would describe your skin, you probably know all too well about eczema. Known as atopic dermatitis, eczema is one of the most common skin conditions, affecting more than 31 million people in the U.S. Certain factors like your immune system and genes, as well as environmental and emotional triggers, can cause an eczema flare-up, resulting in symptoms like a rash, bumps, thick leathery patches, flaky, scaly, or crusty skin, or swelling. So what can you do to prevent an eczema flare-up? Here are 7 tips. Keep your skin moisturized. Create a moisturizing routine and be consistent. You can use a lotion, cream, ointment, or oil, but look for an option that is fragrance-free and has a short list of ingredients. Number 2, adjust your shower routine. Be mindful of your water temperature and avoid taking extremely hot showers. Also, opt for a shower with gentle water pressure. 3, avoid chemicals, fragrances, and other irritants. Certain makeup, soaps, and deodorants can trigger a flare-up. Choose products that are made with fewer ingredients and fewer perfumes. 4, take note of the temperature and weather. You may want to crank on the central air conditioning or heating depending on the weather outside, but that can irritate your skin. Try adjusting what you're wearing to prevent temperature-triggered eczema. 5, wear loose clothing and fabrics. Tight clothes and even certain fabrics like wool can aggravate your eczema. Instead, wear looser clothing and look for items made with a gentler fabric. 6, decrease your stress. Stress can affect many areas of your life, and your skin is no exception. Consider a stress-relieving activity like meditation or yoga to help curb any flare-ups. 7, evaluate your diet. Certain foods, ingredients, and spices can impact the frequency and severity of your eczema flare-ups, so you may want to consider adjusting your diet. Talk to your healthcare provider about options like the anti-inflammatory diet, the Mediterranean diet, or even a gluten-free diet. While it's possible to prevent eczema flare-ups, it's important to see your healthcare provider if they become more painful or begin to crust or weep. Bottom line, you don't have to live with uncomfortable skin that affects the quality of your life.